To change slide duration here in Canva, I'm going to open up this presentation document. I'm going to pick any templates I want to work with from here. Let's apply all 10 pages. Now I'm going to rename my document to become my own. To change the slide duration, each of these pages are a slide. I'm going to click on any of these pages. Once you click on it, you're going to see the editing toolbar come up. From here, you will see the edit timing. The default timing for slides in Canva is 5 seconds. So you can click on the edit timing and you see this option come up. You want to choose what duration you want to give for the slide. If I'm going for, say, a 1 minute slide, I have to count it in seconds, and I'll do this as 60. If I enter that, you'll see that it has shown 1 minute. So this slide now, the duration of it is now 1 minute. If I want to speak for 1 minute for the slide, that's the duration the slide is going to last for. And if I want all other slides to be the same time with the one I applied it to, you just click on apply to all 10 pages, so it changes the duration of all your slides. You can go to the next slide, and because you applied to all pages, this is what you see, and choose to reduce the page timing of this slide. You can still reduce this one barely to 11 seconds, depending on how you want your slide duration to last.